everyone! I'm back! Kumusta po kayo dyan? So ako po ay talagang nagpahinga po ako ng ilang araw. Hindi po ako nag-upload ng mga long videos, diba? Kung inyo pong napapansin, mas nag-focus po muna ako sa shorts. I have a short message, everyone. Life is indeed magical and unpredictable. Do you agree? We cannot control everything, no matter how organized we are. An unexpected circumstance might happen out of the blue. Diba? We don't know what is ahead of us. Well, yes, indeed. Nobody knows what will happen next. So don't be pressured and just take one step at a time. Let us always put our hands off the steering wheel and let His will be done. God is in control. He works in a wondrous and marvelous ways. Whatever life has to offer, whether we like it or not, let us always choose to wear the best outfit of life, none other than our sweetest smile. Diba no? A person with a cheerful outlook in life, despite of all the predicaments he or she is going through, will be rewarded by God in His due time. Sumasang-ayon ka ba? Parang kailan lang, no? Talaga pong napakabilis talaga ng araw. O diba ilang oras na lang po at magpapaalam na tayo sa buwan ng June. Kumusta naman po ang buong June para sa'yo? Marami ka bang naipong alaala? So ako naman po ayan, talaga pong nag-unwind po ako. Tara, kain tayo ng siomay. Hindi talaga nawawala yan, no? Favorite ko po talaga yan. Sobrang na-relax po talaga ako kapag nakakatikim po ako ng ganito. So palagi po nating tatandaan sa all the people out there. Colossians 3 verse 23. Whatever you do it heartily as the Lord and not as men. Well, yes, indeed. Lahat po na ginagawa natin, palagi po natin iisipin na ang ating communities at ang ating big audience ay wala nang iba kundi ang poong may kapal, diba? Kaya naman, just keep up the good work, everyone. Keep safe and God bless us all.